Just cooked about 6 eggs, 7 eggs, added some cheese on top, helping my brother before he goes. Drops the kids off, they need to eat, so cook some eggs up. This is a lot of eggs. Like, that's my hand. 6 eggs. Like, that's a lot of eggs. I don't know if anybody else eats that many alone, but I think that's enough for a couple of kids. But yeah, that should be good. Put a cup on it, cap on it, so cheese will melt. And put this cheese away. Yeah, so that's done. Ready for them to eat. Oh yeah, let's go out to the chicken coop, see if they got any eggs. You're not coming out. About. Look how blurry this is. Was not focused. Oh, that's weird. It's not focusing real quick when I'm walking. Never even noticed that. Had a little hiccup. Let's see if we can get down to the floor. You guys never seen the floor in this thing. There was a deck, but look something like that. It's like a half a foot to the ground, but there's so much shavings. Oh. No eggs. Wow. I want eggs, girls. Give me eggs. Did you cut the light not on? Might be because the light's not on. Let me put the light on. I don't know. At least try. Rabow. Let's see if the light's on. Oh yeah, the light's on. Yeah, girls. Lights on. Sweet. Leave that on for a little bit. Yeah, let's go tell the kids that dinner's done, or breakfast, or actually lunch is done, so that they can leave me alone. I just made 6 fucking eggs, and the chickens didn't even give me any back, so I don't know what's going on. Yeah! Have a good one, guys. Like and subscribe. Comment below if you want to do something. I'll do it. Have a good one.